Well guys, today I'm just doing a Freon change. This is Jaguar XF. So guys, I can only locate the high side. I open this side where the brake is. I could not locate guys the low side guys port. I open this front section. I open the grill to just peep in because some cars have it right there. But guys, I cannot locate it guys. So I had to like go online and check it out guys. You won't believe it where Jaguar put it. So you come like down here guys on the front side tire, you move down right there next to the catalytic converter guys. You have a port right there where I've just highlighted right there guys. So guys, the funny part is that you have to leave the whole car on the lift to just do something really basic, just as changing Freon guys. This is so crazy. So I had to go down guys to show you properly. You just come from down like this. Next here right guys, we have here guys the low side. So I've just opened up. So this is really crazy guys, like Jaguar has to do this because just doing a mere Freon change guys should not make you like lift the car up and then do some stuff. Guys, you can leave a comment about this, what you feel about what Jaguar did here, and you can leave it in the comment section. So guys, I'll have to just put it up like that, and then I'll just do the Freon change from the top and down like that. So I'm just putting the high end. I'm just connecting all in, and then once that is done guys, I have to go back down the car, and I have to make to connect guys the low side so that I can begin this right here guys, so I can begin doing the Freon change. Alright guys, see you next time. Like and subscribe, and then see you next time.